Hello guys, good morning. This is Sanket. Welcome to the very new vlog. So in this vlog we are going to discuss the servicing cost of the BMW 3 Series. So let's get started. Let me get my keys. Oh, it's here. So here we go. Wearing my chappals now. This is my garage. This is my Bullet and this is the Beamer. Like after like one and a half weeks. Okay, it's very dirty. Cool. Let me open the. Let's go for a spin, and we are all set to go, guys. Whew. So, guys, welcome to the new vlog. My name is Sanket, and we are gonna talk about the servicing cost of the BMW 3 Series. Last month, in the month of January, I completed 1 year of this car and I also clocked around 12,000 kilometers, right? So I went for servicing and they have given me a couple of envelopes that I will be opening up soon. I think it's somewhere there. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, so that is one thing. Second thing, I will be talking about the sunroof. Now earlier the motor was broken, now they have replaced it for this. I mean the cost of motor was 40,000 rupees, so I was a little bit worried, but it got covered in the warranty itself, right? So that is one good thing. Perfectly fine. Okay guys, so yeah, let's get this car parked somewhere and maybe we can talk about. Okay guys, let's cut to the chase. These are the two envelopes that I'm having, and one is for sunroof and another one is for servicing and extra. So this is very interesting thing that I'll discuss with you. But the servicing, that the cost of the servicing, all the invoices are in this envelope. So let me open it now. I'll be putting a screenshot on the screen so you can see it, right? So basically in the BMW servicing, there are only 4 things that you have to do it. The first one is, first one they have written set oil filter, so that is oil filter, then micro filter for AC, I guess, air filter, and the last one is the synthetic oil that they will be topping up. Now the cost of all of this, so this is the cost. You can see. Okay, so the cost is what? 19,000 rupees, 19,364 rupees. But then this BMW guy came up with many things. So he said that we'll be doing this cleaning, then wheel alignment, and diesel additives and all. So I thought, I took the car to many places, so it was a little bit dirty from inside. So they charged me 5,000 rupees for that cleaning. It was some interior germ clean sort of thing, so I thought, why not get it done. And then diesel additives, so one was costing around 1,200 or 1,000 rupees, but it is absolutely not necessary. And so how much money did I pay for servicing? I paid 0 rupees because I got a package for 120,000 rupees for next 3 years. So that is that. And the servicing, I did it before 12,000 kilometer. So generally they say that you have to do servicing after every 12,000, but the sensor of the car will tell you when it needed to be serviced. And also this is pretty much about the servicing. So 19,000 rupees per servicing, so which is not bad, I guess. Second thing, my servicing experience, I booked an appointment a day before I got the appointment. In time, I left my vehicle. I got the vehicle on the next day, so it went pretty smooth. Now the second interesting thing is that sunroof. The motor of the sunroof broke, and so we replaced it, and it costed me 28,000 rupees. You can see, but the thing is that it got covered under the warranty, so it has warranty of 2 years, so that got replaced free of cost. So how much money did I pay for servicing? I paid only 10,000 rupees for the cleaning and the extra additives that I'll be putting every month on month there. So guys, this is all about this vlog today. Do let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see such more videos, please hit the subscribe button.